Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about low libido, its symptoms, its causes, and a natural home remedy to get rid of it. Low libido is a term used to describe the decrease in sex drive that can interfere with sexual activity. While low libido can cause tension in relationships, fostering doubts and guilt in both partners, it can often be treated if the underlying cause is identified. Low libido should not be confused with erectile dysfunction. Although the two conditions can coexist, but communication and honesty are needed for a couple to cope while identifying the possible causes. The treatment may vary from person to person, involving physiotherapy, hormonal replacement, lifestyle changes, or the adjustment in drug therapies. There is no magic number to define low sex drive. It varies from person to person. If you want to have sex less often than your partner, or if your sex drive is weaker than it was once, your relationship may be stronger than ever, but still, sex drive can be reduced for certain reasons. Major symptoms of low sex drive includes having no interest in any type of sexual activity, including masturbation, never or only seldom having sexual fantasies or thoughts, being concerned by the lack of sexual activity or fantasies. Desire for sex is a complex interaction of many things affecting intimacy, which includes physical and emotional well being, experiences, beliefs, lifestyle, and your current relationship. If you are experiencing a problem in any of these areas, it can affect your desire for sex. There are several causes for low sex drive. A wide range of illnesses, physical changes, and medications can cause a low sex drive, which includes sexual problems, medical disease, medication, lifestyle habits, surgery, and fatigue. Change in your hormone levels may also alter your desire for sex. This can occur during menopause, pregnancy, and breastfeeding. Your state of mind can also affect your sexual desires. There are several psychological causes of low sex drive, which includes mental health problems such as depression or anxiety, stress like financial stress or work stress, poor body image, low self-esteem, history of physical or sexual abuses, previous negative sexual experiences. Emotional closeness is an essential prelude to sexual intimacy. So problems in your relationship can be a major factor of low sex drive. Decreased interest in sex is often result of ongoing issues such as lack of connection with your partner, unresolved conflict or fights, poor communication about sexual needs or preferences, and trust issues. Now let us talk about the natural home remedy to get rid of the problem of low libido and increase in your sexual desires. You need 5 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is 100 gram of shatavari powder. The second ingredient is 100 gram of vidari kand powder. The third ingredient is 50 gram of tagar powder. Fourth ingredient is 15 gram of nutmeg powder. And fifth ingredient is 150 ml of warm milk. The images of the ingredients is right on your screen, and you can also check the description for other names of the ingredients. To prepare the remedy, mix all the powders properly. Then add 1 teaspoon of this mixture in 150 ml of warm milk. Then drink it twice in a day, once in the morning and other in the evening. Use this remedy continuously for 30 days and you will see the wonderful results. And you ought to notice a big change in your sexual response with increase in your sexual pleasure also. If you still have questions or doubts in your mind regarding this remedy and other remedies which I have uploaded on my channel, then you can ask me on Instagram. I am happy to help. Alright guys, hope you like the remedy. Please share it with your friends also. And don't forget to share the experience of following this remedy in comments. And I am always happy to welcome your suggestions and opinions. So do mention them also in comments. For more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further videos.